All right, let's do cosine. All right, instead of 2 theta, let's put a 3 right here, 3 theta, okay? And let's say equals -1. Now this one's actually sort of okay. It's not quite as bad, and it's because of the number of solutions that you're going to get here. Now, so here again, we're only finding solutions from 0 to 2 pi, but because I have this, I have to find what? The general solutions first, okay? So the coefficient takes an easy problem and turns it into something really long and drawn out, and it kind of sucks, okay? Now, where is cosine -1? At pi, and I believe that's it, isn't it? All right, so that's nice, just like one solution if I didn't have that coefficient. So we'd say not theta, but 3 theta would be equal to pi, all right, plus 2 pi k. All right, now what I need to do, all right, divide by the 3. So we get theta equals pi over 3 plus 2 pi k over 3. So it didn't work out as nice this time with it being a 3. All right, but it'll still be okay. Now, that's the general solutions. Now, what did I say that I wanted us to find? From 0 to 2 pi. All right. So how do we figure out those? We put what? Substitute 0, 1, 2, 3, until it gets up to 2 pi, because we don't go over that. So, and if we put a negative right there, that would be a negative one, wouldn't it? Okay, so hardly ever you'd have to put a negative. All right, let's start at 0. So what if k is 0? That would just turn to 0. All right, and so it would just be pi over 3. All right, what if k was 1? All right, we got to calculate this one. So this one, we're just say we have to give the solutions from here to here. So we're going to let k be 0, 1, 2, 3, and so forth. Now I got to stop at a certain point because I don't want to go over 2 pi. All right, so let's see what happens when k is 1. So this would be pi over 3. Now, what if k was 1 right here? This would be 2 pi over 3. Okay, so right, this would be 3 pi over 3, which would just be pi. Okay, now I may be wrong, I think the 2 is going to be too big. All right, let's just see. I really can't tell just yet. Let's see what happens. So it'd be pi over 3 plus, now, what if you did 2 pi times 2? It would be 4 pi over 3. Okay, so that would be 5 pi over 3. Now just think basically here, is 5 over 3 bigger than 2? No, it's not. So I was wrong. It actually worked. Now, think about where 5 pi over 3 is. You're in the fourth quadrant. So if you add another 2 pi over 3, you're going to be over. Okay, so you could stop. Now, if you wasn't sure, you could do k equal 3 and do that one out, but it's going to be too big. All right, so now, y'all tell me my answers here that I'm supposed to circle. Yeah, pi over 3, okay, pi, and 5 pi over 3. Yeah, okay. So yeah, you go back to this one, and you just repeatedly substitute your values for k. Now this one wasn't quite so bad because this one only had one general solution, because cosine was only -1 at one location there, wasn't it? It was just that one spot there where what, cosine was -1. It was just at pi. Okay. Now, all right, let me do one more.